Yes, trader. ARM Holdings. Everybody knows it's our favorite every time. Like right here, we bought it to 200. We had a big rally up. Listen, it had a bad report a while ago. We hit that 200. We have rallied up. It's on our buy list. We have cleared the 50-day moving average right here. There is more upside on this big one. I'm just going to put that right there. And it always recovers every time after earnings. ARM always, I'm telling you, it's one of the leaders in the hardware there. And we still have more upside. We sold out of our ABGL. We think we can get a little bit more. If we go below the 50-day, then we're going to get stopped out with our profits, of course. But still, we're buying the dips. If it does pull back and test the 10-day, there's the 150-day. I'll draw where we'll be buying the dip again, and that would be right there. That's exactly where we just drew the trend line, right about 130, right above it is where we would go ahead and get aggressively long again.